Straddie is getting built up at Coomera. You've got a combination of different materials on the outside. You've got Linea board and you've got the express joint HardieFlex. So it's got a negative detail. So you've got your battens, and then that gets fixed straight off the battens with a little express joint negative detail, which is normally used on matrix. But using HardieFlex is a lot easier to work with, creates the same sort of look and effect, but without the cost and the skill that's required to put matrix on. So tool looks the same, great sort of product to use. But we've got here, this is a double garage which is separated by 20 ways. And this area here, the living room with rake ceilings, highlight windows. We go around the side here. So this house is actually replacing a house that was destroyed in the cyclone or the hurricane about 2 years ago on Christmas Day in this area. So it's a beautiful location. There's the river there. That's Mount Tambourine just up the top here. And you can see here the finishing details. We've got the kitchen going in at the moment. With stacking sliding doors there. So you've got the master bedroom here. Finishing off all the Linea board here, so it's nice to have all gaps and sealed. It's a beautiful classic look without the maintenance that you get if it was a timber weatherboard. Through here. So master bedroom, ensuite. This little study in here. You can see the nice big rake ceilings on the living room here. And then you've got 3 bedrooms in here. 1, 2, 3. But it's got a nice separation of this house. I don't think I'll walk on that, so I just want to put it down. So this is the waterproofing. Obviously it's just about to be bedded. And the tiles will be going down there in the next few days. Often we replace the timber post, the steel post with these timber ones. So a nice clean up. And you can see over here, she's got the finish off the last sheet. There you go.
Mate,
yeah.
Not very fat at you, mate.
Oh, I know, I've seen worse.
Oh, well,
not much worse. So he's putting the HardieFlex on, just with a nail going straight into the castellated battens. Nice work. Good stuff. You look familiar though.
Flexing.
Okay.